This is a French Year 8 PowerPoint lesson at the cafe, au café. We're going to be learning how to order some French breakfast items in a French cafe. Hopefully this PowerPoint lesson will help you with some of the difficult pronunciation. So let's make a start. Firstly, if you are going to order something politely in a restaurant, you will want to use the phrase je voudrais manger. So if you can try and repeat after me, je voudrais manger. So that's a really useful sentence starter, as it's a kind of a sneaky way of getting a little bit of a conditional future tense as well. I would like to eat. Je voudrais manger. Okay, so here is one of the delicious breakfast items that we'll be learning in today's lesson. Let's have a little stop and a think. So pause the PowerPoint, please. What I would like you to do is make a list of as many French breakfast food and drink items as you can think of from all the work you've been doing on the topic of food and drink at home. Okay, so now you've unpaused the PowerPoint, let's see if any of the ones you've got written on your list I can match on my PowerPoint. So please can you repeat after me? Un pain au chocolat. Un croissant. Une crêpe. Du pain. If you want to say what you would like any of your breakfast items with, we use the little link-in word avec, meaning with. Avec de la confiture. I wonder if you've got this on your lists. Can anybody think what de la confiture actually is? It's jam. Well done if you remembered. De la confiture. Du beurre. Can you remember that du beurre is butter? Du Nutella. I quickly reveal the picture for you there because it's really not difficult to work out that that's a brand name, so it's exactly the same as you would have definitely thought it was. Okay, let's move on to drinks. Again, we've got our sneaky conditional future here. Je voudrais, I would like. Repeat after me. Je voudrais boire. Let's learn some drinks. Un chocolat chaud. Un café. Un thé. Un jus de pomme. Un jus d'orange. Okay, so I'd like you to pause the PowerPoint here, please, and I would like you to go back over all of the breakfast foods, the items you might have with the foods, and the drinks that we've learned, and I'd really like you to write them down into two lists. Can you separate them into masculine and feminine, please? So the list that started with un for masculine, and then a separate list, which you probably find is much smaller, of items of food and drink that are une for feminine. Off you go. Okay, so on this slide, we're going to ask you to do some sentence practice. Bonjour, je voudrais un thé, s'il vous plaît. So we're learning how to write out polite, I would like sentences in a cafe. So as you see here, you've got sentences 1 to 8. Would you please write 1 to 8 in your books on a piece of paper, and can you write your bonjour, je voudrais sentences? Number 1, for example, would be bonjour, je voudrais un jus de pomme, s'il vous plaît. So hello, good day, I would like an apple juice, please. And you will see that on number 3, you want 2 hot chocolates, so you want to think about your plural spellings. Same on number 8, and on number 7, you want a pancake with jam. So can you remember that little linking word we learned for with? Okay, off you go. Pause the PowerPoint and off you go. Okay, and on this slide, I would like you to practice some very basic, very small numbers. In fact, you're not really going to go much past 12, I don't think, on this. So we're looking at how much a bill might come to in a cafe. So if we look at the top left-hand box first, we have ça fait combien d'euros? So the question mark stands for how much or how many. So ça fait combien d'euros means how many euros does that come to? So basically, how much does it cost? What I would like you to do, please, is write a sentence for each of the boxes 1 to 8, giving the total of the bill. So if we look at box 1, we've got a €5 note, and I would like you to write out ça fait. So that's this bit here, ça fait, and then 5 euros. Ça fait 5 euros. Box 2, ça fait 1, 2, 3, 3 euros. Okay, pause the PowerPoint and off you go. And on this slide, your activity is to just find your way around, understand and do some very simple addition of a menu in a French cafe. So I would like you to write, please, just a very, very quick dialogue, ordering 3 separate items. So you are ordering a drink from the top section of the menu, please, then something to eat from the middle, 3 choices, and I would like you to add something onto that, whatever that might be, using this word here, which remember we've just learned or revised means with, avec. So for example, bonjour monsieur, je voudrais un café et des croissants avec de la confiture, s'il vous plaît. Bien, ça fait 5 euros, merci. So make your food and drink choices, write out the whole mini dialogue, and do your adding up carefully at the end. You've got to avoid those pancakes, that's the most expensive item there, year 8. Okay, well done so far. Our final slide for you is 3 short sentences from various Simpsons characters here, where they are giving various opinions and ordering some breakfast items that we've been learning today. I would like you to either please print out this slide and translate the 3 speech bubbles into full English, please, or if you'd rather not print, you can copy out those 3 short French speech bubbles and translate fully into English.